Hello everyone, welcome to our talk. I am Mang Cai, PhD, JD, attorney at law at New Weiming Law Group. Our law firm is located in the metro area of Washington, D.C. It's the capital of the United States, where there are many international organizations, for example, the World Bank, the IMF, International Monetary Fund. As you know, the UN headquarters is in New York City. Well, there are various employees of those international organizations. And what kind of work authorization do they have, do they use, if they are from foreign countries? Usually, they will use a so-called G-4 visa, and that's our topic for this video. For example, if you attended a US university and you graduated, you want to get a job, or if you are abroad and you want to work in the US, you can always consider the G4 option. Of course, you need to get a job offer from the international organization. But once you have such job offer, G4 visa can benefit you. For example, there is no quota limit for the G4 visa, and there is no duration, limit for the G4 visa. People can hold the G4 for decades, as we will see. So, this compared with the H-1B work visa, there are great advantages. In addition, the spouse and the dependents of G4 visa can work. Well, that includes the husband, wife, domestic partners, and children under 21 years old, or some children who are above 21 but still in school. They can all apply for work permit, and they can also get G4 visa. And in addition, actually, G4 visa holders can even apply G5 visas for their servants or domestic workers to come to the US to work for them. So all these are advantages of G4. You can see, compared with H-1B work visa, there are many benefits. Of course, again, you need to get the good position at international organization first. And as you know, actually, there are also some tax advantages. If you are working for international organizations, you may be waived from the US federal tax. You can consult a CPA for more information about that. So if you are holding a G4 visa, or if you plan to get one, there are some limits of the G4 visa. Once you have G4, theoretically, you cannot change to other visa status, such as H-1B or O-1. Then, what if you want to become a US permanent resident? One way is after you have been working for international organization for 15 years or longer, and if you retire, there's one option that you can apply US permanent residency based on your past service. However, maybe not everybody has the opportunity to work for the same organization for more than 15 years. Sometimes the applicant may also have other career plans. So what else? Well, the applicant who's holding G4 visa can also get US green card through family-based immigration. So for example, if your spouse or other close relative is a US citizen or permanent resident, you can also get green card this way through family-based immigration. In addition, there's also employment-based immigration option available. So as we know, international organizations, they cannot sponsor you directly as employer for your green card. But there are other self-petitioned, so-called employment-based immigration options, specifically the EB-1A, Alien with Extraordinary Ability, and NIW, National Interest Waiver. We have our own clients, who hold G4 visa and received their green card through EB-1A or NIW. So for example, if your spouse is working on a research position and qualify for EB-1A or NIW, either if you work directly for international organization or if you work elsewhere but hold G4 visa through the benefit of the visa granted by international organization to your spouse, you can still file the self-petition in EB-1A category or NIW category and get your green card. And this can be a convenient way for you to get US permanent residence. So again, either you are the main visa holder and work at international organization, or if your spouse works at international organization, Either of you, can apply through the self-petition of EB1A or NIW to fulfill your green card needs. Again, our law firm is located in Washington, D.C. metro area, where there are many international agencies, and we have helped various clients who currently hold or in the past held the G-4 visa. As we can see, G-4 visa provides some convenience, which are better than H-1B, and there are still ways for the G-4 visa holder to get U.S. green card. So that's our topic for this video. Thank you.